In this video, we're going to rotate triangle ABC by 90 degrees, which means 90 degrees going in a counterclockwise direction about the center 0, 2. Here's the center mark there, and here's triangle ABC. The coordinates of A is 2, 1, the coordinates of B is 6, 1, and the coordinates of C are 6 and 4, right? 6 for the X, 4 for the Y. Now how do we do that? We're going to do it geometrically. Okay, so we're going to use our compass. You're going to need a ruler, and you're going to need a protractor. Alright, so these are the three instruments we use. Now the first thing we do, we're going to center the compass at the center of rotation and extend it to extend the pencil to each of the vertices of the triangle, right? And swing some huge arcs. But it's 90 degrees, so if your sure your arc is past a quarter of a circle, then fine, right? That's that one, and of course you do not need to make these arcs very, very bright, right? Just to ensure that the construction lines can be seen. Here's the one from B, all right, and then we need one from A. Okay, good. Here's the one from A. All right, they're all more than a quarter of a circle, obviously. Now, the next thing, you can put away the compass. The next thing, you're going to draw lines connecting, use a ruler to draw lines connecting the center of rotation to each of the points, right? So I'm going to draw a line connecting the center of rotation to A. Okay. I'm going to draw one connecting the center of rotation to B. And I'm going to draw one connecting the center of rotation to C. Now, since we want to rotate by 90 degrees going clockwise, from each of those lines drawn, you're going to use your protractor to measure a 90 degree angle on and using the lines that you've drawn for the starting point, right? So for A, right, ensure that 0 line is lined up on A and the center of the protractor is at the center of rotation, right? Okay, good. So from A, let me make these knots a little bigger. From A, my 90 degree line will be to that point, right? So when you do that, take your ruler and line it up from the center of line it up with the center of rotation and the 90 degree point made, right? And you're going to make a line, the arc that was sent from what was made from A, right? You're going to make a line to intersect that arc with the ruler. You don't need more than that. If you want to draw the entire line, fine, but you don't need more than this section here. So right there is where the image of A is going to be. Okay, right at this point is where the image of A is going to be. Then I'm going to do the same thing to get the image of B. Now this might look a bit slow, but if you practice this regularly or a few times, you'll to be a very quick process. All right. So I'm making the 90 degree from B. Now notice the center of. I line up the center. Put my protractor star at the center of rotation. Ensure that 0 line is on the line leading to B. Put a dot at my 90. Those dots I don't need. And put a dot at my 90 right there. Good. Use it as a guide. Take the ruler. Center it, start it, line it up with the center of rotation and that 90 degree dot you just made, right? And simply, no, this is the arc from B. Notice this is the arc from B right here. Make sure that this angle is 90. 90 is about right here actually. Okay, and then it's a bit more in. Take the ruler. Okay, and then now the ruler crosses. Notice that this is the arc from B, right? So make the mark right here where the ruler crosses that arc from B, which is this point right here. Okay, so right there is going to be the image of B. All right. So if you remember, this was A. All right, and then now the arc from C, you're going to do the same thing. Center your protractor at the center of rotation. Make the 0 line, fall on the line leading to C, and we're going to take the 90-degree angle from there, right? 90 will take me to about there. Okay? And then I'm going to use your ruler. Line it up with the center of rotation and that dot made. That will take it to the 90, right? And remember now that this was the arc, the outside arc was the arc from C. So you're going to make the mark right there. And that point right there is going to be the image of C, right? Now if you connect these points, use your ruler of course to connect these points, right? If you connect these points, I'm use some lines here. Oopsie, oopsie. Connect these points using your ruler, and you have the image. After you've rotated the triangle by 90 degrees. Okay, so here's the last point is right here. So there's a triangle, and if you want, you can erase these construction lines, but if you made them really pale, right, from the outside, you don't have to erase any. So there is the triangle rotated by 90 degrees in a clockwise direction.